an experiment. Let's get started. First you need water, 2 glasses and 2 oranges. First we have to put some water. Let's peel one orange. The orange with its peel is floating and without peel is sinking. Why this happened? Orange with its peel has air pocket. It makes it lighter than the water, hence it makes it float. The peel is removed, the air pocket it's also moved. It makes it heavier, hence it makes it sink. Thank you.